College broke? Your website doesn't have to be. Here's the Squarespace student secret. Before we dive in, make sure to click that link in the description below to grab your discount while it's still available. Trust me, your wallet will thank you later. So, here's the deal. Squarespace actually offers student discounts that most people don't even know about. We're talking real savings on one of the best website builders out there. Whether you need a portfolio for that design class, a site for your side hustle, or just want to look more professional than your classmates still using free WordPress themes from 2015. The student discount typically gives you a significant percentage off your first year, sometimes up to 50% depending on current promotions. Plus, there are general promo codes out there for when you're not using the student deal. Heads up. Offers usually can't be combined. Here's what makes this actually worth it. You get all the premium features. Beautiful templates that don't scream, "I'm a broke college student." Drag and drop editing that's actually intuitive, and hosting that won't crash when your professor assigns the whole class to check out your project. The best part? You can use it for literally anything. Class projects, internship applications, freelance work, or that Etsy shop you keep saying you'll start. And unlike those sketchy free website builders, this actually looks professional. So, don't sleep on this. Click that link in the description, verify your student status, and get building. Your future self will thank you when you're not scrambling to make a decent-looking website at 2 a.m. before a deadline. Ready to save big and look legit? Click the link in the description below to get your discount and special offer. Build it today, brag about it tomorrow. See the link below. Happy building!